24085 Thomas. Repair video. Do we want to paint the front deck? At least to save it from like mildew or whatever, water damage. We need to cut the grass. It definitely smells like mildew in here. We have a hole in the ceiling. Maybe that's where the mildew smell is coming from. Another one. The carpet needs at least a serious cleaning. Hopefully we can get those up. Paint. Bedroom number 1 needs paint. At least take the blinds down. Oh, more issues. Paint the closet. Caulk the tub or the toilet. Caulk the tub. Did we do bedroom number 2 yet? I don't think so. Paint. It looks like there was an issue in here, but it's been fixed. Not quite. Carpet doesn't look terrible. Can probably get away with just cleaning it. Do we want an elliptical for the office? Kitchen looks like just cleaning. Maybe at least clean this pantry. The floor looks good. The countertops look okay. You can't really see it, but this back door is kind of dirty. It needs to be cleaned or painted. There's an old mattress down here. Some trash that needs to be thrown away. I don't know if the washer works. There's no power, so there's no use of videoing down here.